How to make someone admin in WhatsApp group. First, open the WhatsApp app. You can find your group from here or tap on the group at the top. Here are all your groups. Now open the group. You need to add admin. At the top, tap on your group name. At the top right corner, tap on three dots. Now tap on group permission. Scroll down a little. At the bottom, tap on edit group admins. Here is your group members. Tap on the profile you want to add group admin. Now tap on green tick at the bottom. And that's it. This is how you can make someone admin in WhatsApp group.